The least common multiplication or the least common multiple of any two prime numbers is their product. Such that 2 and 3, we can find the least common multiplication between 2 and 3 by multiplication 2 by 3 equals 6. Question number 2, 7 multiplication by 2 and 9. We use here distributive property. 7 multiplication by 2 plus 7 multiplication by 9. Question number 3, Basim is X years old now. How old will be after 5 years? It will be X plus 5. It will be X plus 5 years. Okay, he will be X plus 5 years. Okay, next question. It was question letter A and B and C. Okay, A, B, and C. Question letter D, A, B, C. Okay, it was X plus 5 letter D, and letter C. In the algebraic expression 3y plus 9, the absolute term here we called it coefficient. The coefficient term, it was 9. Write 9 here. 9, we called it coefficient or absolute term. Question letter E, 5 product by 3 plus 2 power 2. 5 times 3 equal 15 plus 2 power 2 equal 4. 15 plus 4, it will be 19. Question F, space are categorical data. Categorical data here will be what? The number? No. Favorite TV, choose. Right, favorite TV, choose. Okay, choose the last one here. Favorite TV, choose. What about categorical data? It means using letters, but or using description. Okay, description, and the numerical use the number. Was question letter F. Next question. In space there is graduated scale for the vertical axis. Okay, vertical axis, it will be what shows here about question letter G, bar or bar graph and histogram too. Okay, we use the here vertical axis, and path bar of graph and histogram shows the force choosing here. Shows the force choosing here, path of bar graph and histogram. Second, complete number. If 2000 divided by 51 equal 39 and the remainder is 11, then 51 times 39, it will be what? We can find the result by multiplication 51 by 39, or 2000 subtract 11 from it. Okay, so 51 times 39, we can write 2000 subtract by the remainder 11. The result will be 1989. Question letter B. All natural numbers are also space, and space natural number will be integer, because natural number subset of counting number, no. Counting number, no. Integer, and rational number, right here, integer and rational number. Okay, again, all natural numbers are also integer numbers and rational numbers. Question letter C. The number of terms in the algebraic expression 3x y subtract by 25. We have two terms here, right? Two terms. Okay. D. The number of terms in the algebraic expression. Okay, letter D. The verbal form of algebraic expression 5 product by A. Add to 7. 5a plus 7, we can write here multiplying by 5, then 8, 7. or write 5 as you like. Okay, 5 times a, add to, then add to 7. 5 times a, add to 7, or the product of 5 and a increased by 7 as you like, or write 7 more by 5 product by a, or 5 product by a more by 7. Question letter E. The algebraic expression 2x plus 3 and 2 product of x plus 1 are space expression not equal, because if we want to find the result about second expression, we have first expression and second expression here, 2 product by x plus 1 using distributive properties. 2 times x it will be 2x, and 2 times 1 it will be 2. It will be not equivalent, so we must write here not equal. Write not equal here. Question letter F. In 5 power 7, 5 we called it base, 5 we called it the base, and 7 we called it 5 we called it the base, and 7 we called it exponent. Okay, 5 power 7, 5 the base, and 7 we called it exponent. Question letter G. What color are your eyes? Is this question what? Non-statistical, because we have one answer about this question. The question will be statistical question if we have a different solution of different results, such that the age of students in your class or in your school. Okay, then question letter G. What color are your eyes is non-statistical. Non-statistical. Okay, statistical. Okay, keep this word in your mind. Non-statistical. Question letter H. The mean of the values here, we can find the mean by 8 of the number divided the number of values. 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 7, 26. 26 plus 10, 36. 36 over 6, it will be 6. The result will be 6. Third, choose the correct answer. All negative integers, such that negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, it will be less than 0. Right, less than here. Question letter B. The opposite of negative 3 over 4, it will be 3 over 4. The opposite about this number, change the sign. Okay, question letter C. If Hanan saves the pounds daily for 5 days, then her father gives her 20 pounds. So the amount with Hanan now, okay, Hanan saves 7 pounds daily for 5 days, so the total with she now will be 5D, and her father gives her 20 pounds, it will be plus 20. So she will have now, Hanan has now 5D plus 20. Question letter D. The graph of the inequalities x less than 4 and x less than or negative 4 equal to 4. Again, x less than 4 and x less than or equal to 4 on a number line are similar in 4 points to pass, each including all values to left of 4. There is a common number between them. Each of them includes all the values to right of 4 we can write each including all values to the left of 4, because 4 not belonging to the first, and x less than or equal to 4, meaning all numbers less than or equal to 4. Okay, so we must choose here each of them includes all values to right of 4, no, left of 4. Okay, choose the second result here, the second solution, each including all values to left of 4. Okay, choose second, choose the second, choosing here each including all values to the left of 4. Question letter E. The correct description that applies to the opposite graph, the mean equal what? We can find the mean here out or results. Look at with me, we have 14 and we have 19 and we have 20 and we have 21, we have 22. We have here 20 lies in the middle, it's a balance point. Okay, it's a balance point, so he won't find the mean. To find the mean, but you don't find the mean, he won't find what the mean increased or decreased. Okay, we have the outlier here, we have the outlier 14, it's meaning the mean will be decreased, okay, decreased, because 14 and 19, 20, 21, it's raised to up, and 14 going to left hand side. Here we have a lot of distance between this point and a lot of solution, so the outlier coming to left hand side, it's meaning the mean will be decreased. But if the point of outlier right hand side here, then the result will be increased, so we must write here decreased, right, decrease, then the mean will be decreases, it will be what, decreases. Okay, fourth, answer the following, find the value of this expression at p equal to the first question. Letter A, 3 power p plus 6 times p power 2 subtract by 3 if p equal to, put p equal to here, then the expression will be 3 power 2 plus 6 times 2 power 2 minus 3. 3 power 2 equal 9 plus 6. Product the difference between 4 and 3. 4 minus 3 equal 1. Then 9 plus 6 times 1 equals 6. 9 plus 6, it will be 15. The result here will be 15. Letter B. 3 times 2 power 3 divided by 12. 3 times 2 power 3, it will be 3 times 2 power 3 equal 8 divided by 12. 3 times 8 equal 24. 24 divided by 12 equal 2. Question number 2. Omar manufactures hats. He produces 5 hats per day. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the variable x and y in this example. Okay, but we have here question. Okay, we solution all the number. Okay, question number 2. Find the image here, find the relation between y and x. Y equal 2 times 5. 5 hits per day, it will be 5x. See, 5 constant is coefficient here in this table. X and then y, right, 2, 7 and 9. 5 times 2 equal 10. 4 times 5 equal 20. 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 9 equal 45. Okay, and then we can draw x-axis and y-axis here. We have the image 10, 20, 35, 45. Okay, right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And the last one, 45, we can write 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. From 2 to 10, the image here 10. 3 or 4 to 20. Okay, 4 to 20. 7 to 35. Coming here, 7 to 35 lies between 30 and 3 here, and 9 to 45 here. Then we will draw a line segment here, and the equation will be y equal 5x. Okay, question number 3. Arrange the following number ascending. First, we must find solution about absolute value. We have 8, negative 17, and absolute value of negative 3, and negative 9, absolute value of 12. We know the result here will be 3 and the result here will be 12. Then the order from left hand side to right hand side, we can write here what the first number, the smallest number here, who can tell me the smallest number? It will be negative 17 and negative 9 and 3, absolute value of negative 3, and 8, and last one absolute value of 12. Okay, it's the order. Question number 4. We have the tables here. Okay, we have the interval. We want to find the drawing from the following table here. Draw histogram. Okay, it's easy for you. You must write all the image and row bars, and we haven't the graph between two numbers. Draw each other, contains us. First interval, second, third, fourth, the greatest number to 12. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's easy for you to draw. Okay, first interval to the image 6. So first interval, and second interval to 7. Okay, and third interval to 15. It will be 15 here. And 8. And here to 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12. The interval here, the last one, first interval, second, third, fourth, fifth. Understood?